Hi there. The other day I was teaching some girls who were coming back for I think their third time in my kitchen, and they said to me, Flora, will you please remind us how to make that round circle from the baking paper to line your cake tins. So I thought that that would be my video today. So here it takes only two pieces of equipment, a piece of paper, the baking sheet, and a knife. Obviously you need your cake tin to put it in, but you don't need a pencil, you don't need scissors, literally just the things you have in your kitchen. Now it doesn't matter what shape your piece of paper is to start with, but I've got a rectangle here. It does need to be wide enough at the narrowest point to fit the circle. But what you do is you fold your piece of paper in half like that, and then you fold it in half again. Okay? Then, if you were to open it up, you can see you've got the cross in the middle. And that is that cross, that center point of that cross is going to be the center point of your tin. Okay? So, there it is, just in case you need a recap. That's the center point, okay? So that needs to be the skinniest bit of your folding, the middle bit. So what you do is you fold these folded edges over this folded edge, like this, okay? Look, it doesn't matter that it's not even at that end. The most important thing is that this point, the middle point, that's the most important point. And then you just keep on folding, as small as you can get, right? So it's almost like building a paper aeroplane. Then what you do, you see, look, it's all different sizes and that doesn't matter. Just this point here. Turn your cake tin over and just measure it roughly from the middle to the edge. That is where you're going to make your cut. Okay, here. You get your knife, make your cut, and open out your circle. Ta-da! And you put it in your cake tin. So I hope you can put that on replay 100 times and learn how to cut your own circular round for your cake tin.